Standing at the edge of this green mountain vista, I'm reminded of the sheer power and beauty of nature. It's a place where the worries of the world seem to melt away, replaced by a sense of calm and wonder. The sunlight dapples through the leaves, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the hillsides. And the gentle rustling of the trees is a constant, soothing melody. I feel a deep connection to this place, to the earth beneath my feet and the sky above. It's a humbling experience. Thank you for watching.